Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on successive differentiation point indeterminate forms. Let us see what is by indeterminate forms. The value of the function f of x at x is equals to a having any one of the following form. That forms may be either 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0 and infinity raised to 0. If any one of the form occurs, then that form is called as indeterminate form. And to determine the true value of that limit, we have to apply Cauchy's rule, or it is also called as L'Hospital's rule. That states like this: if f of x and phi of x are any two functions of x such that the successive derivatives are known, or we can obtain it. And second condition, value of that function at x is equals to a is 0, and that is also the value for f of phi of a. If the value of f of a and phi of a is 0, then as per that Cauchy's rule, limit of f of x upon phi of x as limit x tends to a is equals to limit of differentiation of f of x, that is f dash of x, divided by differentiation of phi of x, that is phi dash of x, and as x tends to a, limit as x tends to a, and if we take the limit, we get the value as f dash of a divided by phi dash of a, provided limit exists. This rule is called as Cauchy's rule or L'Hospital's rule. We have to apply this till we get some form other than this form. Means if we get the true value of the limit, we can stop the process. Otherwise, we have to apply this again and again. Then I will discuss the first form, that is 0 by 0 form. We'll evaluate limit of sin x divided by x as x tends to 0, and to evaluate this, first of all we check what will be the form. As x tends to 0, this sin x tends to sin 0, and the value of sin 0 is 0, and x is equals to 0. Therefore, form is 0 by 0, a first indeterminate form. And therefore, as it is 0 by 0 form, applying Cauchy's rule. Applying L'Hospital rule or Cauchy's rule, limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0, as it is 0 by 0 form, it is equals to limit of differentiating numerator and denominator separately with respect to x. Derivative of sin x is cos of x, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and limit as x tends to 0. And if we try to find the value of the limit, cos 0 divided by 1, and therefore cos 0 is 1, 1 by 1, we get that value as 1 as the true value of that limit, or the answer for that limit. Means initially that form is 0 by 0, and after applying that Cauchy's rule, we get the value as 1, which is other than that all indeterminate forms. Here we stop the procedure. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.